going? I'll show you what we've done today. Just about to get out of here, so I'll turn you around. So there we are, that's had some sealer. It's a different contrast in the leaves. Sorry about the wind, it's always fucking windy here. Not much difference, but there is a little bit. So this is the stuff we poured the other day. Like that sealer's patchy, fellas. And here's the likely lads rolling with it. That we did today. Say hello to the world, fellas. Yeah, it's the way, Cody. At least you get into it. So yeah, that's that. Oh, a beautiful day. Another cloud. Oh, a couple of clouds, but pretty good. And this is the start of some Curbon Channel. All plastic boards these days, very fancy. And finally some up at the bit we started on. So wherever you are, hope you're having a great day. The sun's shining and your day's nearly done. Mine is, so take it easy, stay beautiful and always be kind. Check it out, my new ride. Ew! Pimpin'.